Hi everyone, I'm Manwu. As for the topic All for AI, my partner Shuwen and I will talk about some privacy violations from AI virtual assistants. We will talk about this topic from the following aspects. I will give a brief introduction about the AI virtual assistant. Shuwen will give some examples in privacy violations of AI assistants and state why it is awful in protecting our privacy. AI Virtual Assistant is an application program that understands natural language voice commands and completes tasks for the user. To date, there are many AI virtual assistants in our daily life, such as Google Assistant, Cortana from Microsoft, Apple's Siri, Amazon Alexa, and so on. Next, Shuwen will take the Alexa as an example to talk about the privacy violations.
Talk about the privacy violations of AI assistants. In our presentation, we take Amazon's Alexa as an example. The first aspect we're going to talk about is called the Ask the Listeners function. Here is a short video to show what exactly the function is.
Alexa, let me talk to the listeners. Hello there. We are always listening, inasmuch as we are with you. It is a pleasure.
It seems that Alexa is always there listening and watching with this creepy function. Amazon systems appear not just designed to collect as much data as they can, but also to create ways of sharing it. As other users talked about, Alexa told them they watch over the users even while they're sleeping. The second aspect we want to show is that Alexa can share data with the law enforcement. It has the potential to put years of law enforcement in homes, schools, and workplaces. The recordings from Alexa can be handed over to the request of government employees and law enforcement officers who might be willing to violate the spirit or letter of the law. The last aspect we want to show is that the crazy animal noises and creepy laugh. Here is a screenshot from Twitter. A guy was having an office conversation about pretty confidential stuff, and Alexa just laughed. And he asked, is there anybody else ever have that? This is really creepy because we didn't know if Alexa was watching and listening their conversation and then make fun of them. Let's talk about why it seems awful in protecting our privacy. The first reason is that they need to collect all kinds of data in our daily life to train a more intelligent assistant. And the second reason is that the always-on AI assistant is like a tape recorder with a switch in the hands of others, which is really terrible. This is our presentation. Thank you.